एंड में, एंड के ट्विटर में या एंड के क्रेडिट में वैसे आपको दिखाया गया। तो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट दे प्ले वेरी वेल एंड दे गिव यू ट्विंस रोल। सो एक को मारो दूसरे को बचाओ ताकि उनको थर्ड सीजन में देखें। So they play better than she as a safe. I am saying that. So how's the
Yeah.
experience in Mirzapur and doing Chote Bade double role, which is really shocking for me. And too many memes, mashallah, too many memes they did about this.
हाँ, ये इसके मीम्स ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड पहुंच गए हैं, अच्छी बात है। uh, बहुत मजा आया। इनफैक्ट दैट वाज द पिच, लाइक दे टोल्ड मी वी वांट यू टू कम इन सीजन 2 एज डबल रोल, so that's how they approached me. This was right after Gully Boy, so I was excited to do this, and I like the series a lot. I was happy to travel, try the Bihari region, because I had not approached Bihar before in Super 30 minorly, but I wanted to enjoy that language a bit, so I got a chance to do that. And of course, double role is a pain in the ass to shoot. It looks very nice as an effect, because it's like a
Yeah.
lot of work goes behind, because it's not like there are two people shooting with each other. I'm doing the whole job one after the other, looking into the, sometimes at a ball, sometimes at a anything that is basically playing the other person, the other brother. So that was a bit of a learning, but I enjoyed doing it, because the effect of it is so good. When kids in my family, I show them pictures of, because they're not allowed to watch the show. So when I show them pictures of two of me in one frame, they get really excited. I like the effect of it.
Wow, that's great. Vijay bhai, we give you a little break. I will show you
Okay.
our tradition. हमारा जो tradition है इमारात का, UAE. We have a
Okay.
qahwa. It's Arabic qahwa.
Okay.
It's like a coffee. So it's
Okay.
coffee, Arabic coffee. When अगर कोई हमारे घर आता है तो हम उनको ये पहले प्रेजेंट करते हैं। तो ये कहवा हम उनको यहाँ इस कप में देते हैं। इस कप का नाम, इसका नाम है दल्ला और इसका नाम है फिंजान। तो हम क्वार्टर देते हैं, फुल
फिंजाम
नहीं
डल्ला।
देते हैं। या
अच्छा।
सो हम उसको क्वार्टर देते हैं, फुल नहीं देते, क्योंकि वो जब पीता है अपना गेस्ट, अगर
हाँ,
उनको पसंद आया तो वो ऐसा करता है, अगर बस खत्म तो ऐसा हिलाता है
so
जिसकी
he
मुंडी
will
हिलती
finish
है।
it.
Yeah, so we'll finish it. So
So nice.
that's our tradition. I want to show you only a little bit.
भेजना मेरे लिए आप।
Of course, of course. आप
And
कहाँ
some
पे हो
oud
अभी?
also,
Oud.
Bombay.
Yeah, Oud in Hyderabad
Yeah,
very famous. In हैदराबाद में तो
yeah,
ज्यादा है famous. हम हैदराबाद
हाँ।
जाते हैं ऊद खरीदने के लिए।
अरे वाह, चलो मैं मालूम
Yeah.
करता हूँ।
Yeah. So Vijay, I want to ask you about your upcoming projects. आपके जो बहुत लोग यहाँ पे जानना चाहते हैं आपके और कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले टीवीज या सिनेमा में।
So there's a show called Fallen with Amazon again. It's a Amazon original.
Okay,
Reema Kakti is directing it, and it
very
has
good.
me, Sonakshi, and Gulshan Devaya, and Soham Shah
Oh.
as some of the players. So ये हम लोग अभी shoot करेंगे. We were shooting it, but because of the
Soham,
lockdown,
he's
we
the
had to.
director. Sorry,
No,
he's
no,
the director.
he's also
Soham Shah.
acting. No, Reema
Ah,
is no.
okay,
Soham is acting. Reema is
okay,
directing.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So again, a very interesting thriller, and I play something that I have not played before, so that's interesting.
Okay.
And and then there is what else was it? Yeah, there's a show which I did. It's a sci-fi and a comedy and a mockumentary.
Mm-hmm.
So one of a kind. I play the main guy in that show, and it has Radhika Apte as well, and it's going to come on Hotstar early next year.
Okay. Okay.
Called
What about
tentatively called
cinemas?
OK Computer.
Okay, computer. And okay, cinema के बारे में on cinema, any
Cin,
movies
cin,
coming?
there is Hurdang, which we've just finished, and then there is another film that I will start maybe in March, April. So yeah, I'm trying to do series and movies एक के बाद एक.
Wow, brilliant. विजय सर, आप किधर हो अभी? हैदराबाद में या कहीं और?
बॉम्बे आ गया हूँ मैं. I was
Wow,
in
in
Hyderabad.
Mumbai. Yeah,
Hmm.
I remember I saw you in the airport, your plane story.
Yeah.
Uh, So I have some quick questions for you. After that,
Okay.
little quiz. उसके बाद हम एंड
Okay.
करेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चन पब्लिक के क्वेश्चंस है. सो मेरी
Okay.
क्विक क्वेश्चंस है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप जल्दी आप मुझे जल्दी जवाब दीजिएगा. आपका सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस कौन सा है आपके नजर में?
I can't really tell. I mean, there are some things that I like about some performances, and there are so many flaws that I can see. But I particularly enjoyed Sasya. I enjoyed Moin. I enjoyed another series that I did much early in my life called Cheers. It's on YouTube.
Okay.
It's one of my favorite characters. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, your best moment as an actor, what was? सब
I
बोलेंगे
think
मोइन का जो कैरेक्टर है ऐसा बोलेंगे. बस आप क्या बोलेंगे?
no. For me, I mean, when I didn't have anywhere to go or I didn't know what was happening and if I'll do anything or not, my first film Monsoon Shootout got selected at Cannes, and it was surreal for me. The first festival I ever went to was the Cannes Film Festival, and the walking down that red carpet with 2,000 people sitting inside the movie hall and waiting to watch your movie was an unreal experience. I don't think I ever felt anything like that ever before or after.
Wow. Okay, which characters you are waiting for? You are have hunger for that to do.
I'm very hungry, but I don't know for which parts. I just know that what I've done before, I don't want to do that again. But something new.
Like for example, कोई ऐसा example है आपके पास ऐसा कुछ biography
I think,
वाला या फिर कौन सा?
oh yeah, I mean, there are some personalities that I really like. I feel like Azharuddin के ऊपर फिल्म बननी चाहिए और मुझे अजहर प्ले करना चाहिए because
Wow.
that story is still not very well told.
Made.
So
Yeah.
let's hope.
No,
Fingers crossed.
I am agree with you 100% because अजहरुद्दीन की स्टोरी अच्छी तरह से नहीं बनी गई जो मैंने
नहीं
इमरान
बनी.
हाशिक में देखी थी. तो आप उसको
Yeah.
जस्टिस देंगे. I believe in that. I believe in that.
Yeah.
Okay. कौन से ऐसे जो कैरेक्टर आपने किए हैं the characters which you are feeling uncomfortable when you see yourself on the screen? Any
Oh my
character
God.
you feel that?
Sasya. I remember I was really hiding behind a blanket and watching it with a couple of friends the first time. And I didn't
Okay.
allow none of my family members to watch it. So I still can't watch what I did in She because it was really really out there. Um, I think there are some here and there that I feel like either I was very bad or I was doing something very bad. Like either I was bad in the performance or I was doing some really bad things in life in the role.
Okay. It is general question. What about all-time 3 best movies for in your opinion? आपके बचपने में आप कुछ फिल्में देखे हैदराबाद में मुझे पता है सिनेमा घर में. तो आपकी
I know.
सबसे 3 best.
I think for the first few impressions was of course Mr. India and Sadma. Those were 2 early impressions,
Wow.
and I feel like both the films were smashing in their own way.
Wow.
And Vastav was like a turning point for me. Vastav देख के हमको लगा कि हमको एक्टर बनना चाहिए.
Okay. So you love
Yeah.
this kind of characters, gangster character, gangster hero,
Yeah.
Munna Bhai.
No guy coming from nowhere, becoming something, माँ वेट कर रही है घर पे आके बोला पप्पा 40 तोला. It's just like larger than
Yeah.
life
Wow.
achievement for a very local guy. Yeah.
Good. आपकी सबसे 3 बेहतरीन गाने कौन से हैं? 3 best songs all time.
Oh my
You
God.
आप कभी भी गुनगुनाते हो अपने आप
I
अकेले
don't
में?
know. It keeps changing so much, but there are some songs I keep going back to, like Afreen by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is something that I listen
Okay.
to a lot. I love
Wow.
a lot of stuff by Nusrat Saab. But right now I've been tripping so much on Sidhu Moosewala's song called East Side Flow. It's so much fun to listen to that song and Old Town Road. ये 3 गाने मैं भी बहुत सुन रहा हूँ.
Wow. ऐसा कोई गाना आप
हिंदी में
गुनगुनाना चाहते हैं
हिंदी
हमारे
में नहीं मैं आपकी जो
आपकी
दुबई
आवाज
से
बहुत
लेके
खूबसूरत है. आपकी
आवाज
आवाज
बहुत
बहुत
अच्छी है
खूबसूरत है.
लेकिन
आप
गाते ही
कुछ
पैकअप हो जाता है मेरा.
come on.
50 रुपए काटो इसके ऐसे हो जाता है.
No, I don't believe that. I believe that. See, आपकी हंसी भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. उसके साथ एक अच्छी ट्यून्स भी आती है. मेरे ख्याल से कुछ आप गुनगुनाते हैं कभी-कभी.
आप कुछ सुनाओ एकदम बढ़िया मिडिल ईस्ट से.
इंशाल्लाह.